All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, thanks so much for subscribing to this channel. Our prayer has been that the good Lord will continue to support you all in all your endeavors. My people, this is another one reaching us. Yoruba Nation are going back, exactly what the people are talking about and exactly what it is. Well, still on Omiyale's matter. I was talking about what Omiyale actually said about him leaving Yoruba Nation movement earlier. Yesterday, some set of people, maybe they've not seen the news, they were like, Pilado, what, you don't start again. Where you foresee this news, Omiyale can never say he wants to leave Yoruba Nation. Well, at the end of the day, I think they found out that it was true. Well, forget the fact that in most of the times before some news come in, Pilado World will quickly, get it and then, tell it out to the people. Why are we doing all this? We have a lot of followers who had been calling us that, oh, Pilado World, we understand, you understand this Yoruba very well, but we are not Yorubas. I was so shocked that, there are some people who are not Yoruba, but they love Yoruba Nation. So they want it, they always like us to interpret it in English for them so that they themselves would be able to follow up the trend, the way it's moving. That's why in most of the cases, whenever news come in, we always do our best to interpret to the people. Where someone was like, where did you get the news from? Well, I think that one is now a past tense. Well, my people, still on the matter right now onto this one. Well, and then as it stands, this one is talking about the Omiyale, for him to say he wants to leave the Yoruba Nation for simply because of the fake audio that had been going viral. And then this time around, this is a shocking message coming from Awikonko to Omiyale. And all this onto this one, Awikonko sends a strong message to Omiyale over Omiyale's decision to leave Yoruba Nation movement. And I think Omiyale is somebody that a lot of people actually know. You cannot say you don't know Omiyale. If you don't know Omiyale, then you don't know person. Exactly how I can explain that. And then meanwhile, onto this one, for somebody like Awikonko to come out, and then onto this, Awikonko had been able to tackle it in a very good way. I know majority of people, how will I put it, are so happy. Yes, majority of people are happy right now with Awikoko onto this one, the way he has dished it out. I think Awikoko actually did a great thing. So I will be, chipping it out for the benefit of those who do not understand Yoruba anyway, who have been saying, okay, Pilado what? Yes, I watched Awikoko, but about his comment on Omiyale's issue of trying to leave Yoruba Nation. So could you please just elucidate this to us, in English? Okay, and then exactly I'm going to chip in some of the things Awikoko actually said. I will not be able to say everything about what he said, but Awikoko was just so much on point on this one. Well, onto this, Awikoko was able to explained to us that majority of people started calling him that. In fact, if he was not mistaken, he got almost about 20 calls, 20 messages from people that, Awikoko, what is happening to Omiyale? What is going on? That we heard that Omiyale wants to leave Yoruba Nation. What is the issue? What is going on? Because Omiyale that we know, is is the right man, not even like he's the right man to Chief Sunday Igboho. In fact, like a PA, like first person. When you see Chief Sunday Igboho, you are saying Omiyale. So why would it be at this 11th hour? I know that's what majority of people will be saying, that at this 11th hour, at this no late hour, that it's very, very close to achieve Yoruba Nation. That means there must be something about that. Well, according to what Awikoko made us understand, he explained a lot of things. He said immediately he heard that it was like, it's a lie. It can never happen. Why would Omiyale say he wants to leave Yoruba Nation, according to Awikoko right now? And then he said, well, one of the people that in fact, one of the 12 people that actually suffered, that were sent to detention in Abuja, the 12/8, that Omiyale was actually one of them. So, and this time around, Omiyale is not somebody that people will now say, or will now say he wants to leave Yoruba nation, because this man, Omiyale, actually suffered a lot for Yoruba nation. Do you want to talk about, the situation whereby uh, he was being fed with engine oil at Abuja detention, and it is, or you want to talk about the days he spent in Abuja detention simply because of this same Yoruba nation, and who is that person? And I said something that, well, let us ask ourselves some questions, that what is that thing that is actually pushing us, that anytime, as soon as we are almost trying to get to our destination, somebody will just come from nowhere. Is it a cause? Because if we say it's a cause, according to Awikonko, he said he will not believe that it's a cause. That our problem is that we don't have, no, we are not cooperating. Yes. He said our problem is that we are not cooperating. We don't have one voice. And it's simply because we are not united. Because if we are united, we will not even be listening to fake news or anybody that wants to distract us. That later some people will say, oh, it's these so-called politicians that is paying, or that is sending these people. Where are the politicians? Even these politicians, do they even have time for themselves, according to what Awikonko had said? And then he said something that, as far as this movement is concerned, that Omiyale should not even take this personal at all. That this should not even bother Omiyale, because he should understand that they have done this to a majority of people. That this same thing had been done to somebody like Chief Sunday Igboho, had been done to the late Awolowo. Majority of them, this same thing had been done to even he himself. And then that is why it is very good at this junction for everybody to neglect any kind of gossip coming from somebody that you cannot even see. That if this person actually believes in herself, why can't she come out? That at least let her come out and tell it to the whole world that this is exactly what happened. Though, that okay, according to the lady was like, oh, they wanted to give money to Omiyale. That okay, why don't you allow these people, or why don't you allow Omiyale to get that money first before you say they wanted to give money to him, that they should watch him closely? That is to tell you that these people are not, they are distractions. And then Awikonko said something that I actually love. He said that somebody like Omiyale had actually, worked, used all his energy, all his strength, his might. He lost a lot of things, even because of this same Yoruba nation. His car engine was knocked. Yes, his car engine got knocked because of this same Yoruba nation movement. But he might not come out to say, oh, you want to tell everybody everything that actually happened. But the people who know. And yet, the kind of person, this is the kind of thing you want to reward him with. That is why majority of people will not get favored. And he says, if Yoruba nation will say this is the only thing they want to reward Omiyale with, definitely we will not move forward. Yoruba nation will not be favored. And that is why he will right now have to call Omiyale to forget about any audio that anybody must have sent, that according to Omiyale said it had gone viral. Even if it had gone so viral, that majority of people actually believe in Omiyale that he would not do a thing like that. And in the first place, you said, according to the audio, Awikonko said, okay, fine. This lady said they want to give money to Omiyale, that they wanted to give money to Omiyale. Then why has he collected the money? Then why don't you allow him to get that money first? Then we'll know where we are going. So that is our problem. And he said so many things. In fact, I learned a lot of Yoruba language. In fact, Yoruba proverb from Awikonko. Today, in case Awikonko is learning, let him understand, or he should understand that Pilado word had learned a lot of things from him. I think one of the adage, the proverb he used, I would speak it in Yoruba so that people will know that at least I actually respected his advice to Omiyale on this one. Okay, which is according to Awikoko, he said, igi eléyìí ò da, a yọ́ kúrò níná, tọ̀hún ò da, a yọ́ kúrò níná. Ọjọ́ wo la máa tó rí eléyìí tó máa ṣe nǹkan tá a gbé kaná jiná? Oh, can you hear that rhymes? Meaning, this firewood is not good. We remove it from fire. The other one is not working well. We remove it from fire. Then when is that day going to come, or what time are we now going to get the one that will make our food to be ready, that will prepare our food to be ready? And I think that's a very good advice according to what that means, relating that to Omiyale. He was trying to let us know that they have said a lot of bad things about different people onto this same Yoruba Nation movement. They will tell you this one is not good, this other one is not good, and then this one. So then which one are we now going to accept that it is good? Even they have talked about different people, like somebody like Professor Banji Akintoye, that is a bad person, that he embezzled money. Sunday Igboho is this one is that. Waiting happen. That I think that's exactly what that proverb relates to. And then another one again. This one from Awikonko is also interesting. This proverb, it says, àní nítorí pé kí ìlú má bàa tú, ká wá mú àwọn aláboyún tó wà nínú ìlú náà àti àwọn ọmọdé inú rẹ̀, ká wá ní ká fi wọ́n ṣe ètùtù. Oh my God, Yoruba ayélona, no? Àní nítorí pé kí ìlú má bàa tú, ká wá mú àwọn aláboyún tó wà nínú ìlú àti àwọn ọmọdé inú rẹ̀, ká wá fi wọ́n ṣe ètùtù. It can't be possible. So because of that, we should not say because of, relating that to Omiyale, meaning we should not say because of all those things, Omiyale should now say he is no longer interested in Yoruba Nation movement. That is serious. Well, my people, majority of things though were actually said onto this. And then I think his advice to Omiyale is that Omiyale should neglect any person, anybody that is trying to distract him, because this is just a strong way to distract, but it's a mere kind of, how will I put it, make kind of allegation that is not strong. We all know where the person is coming from, and then we know where they are going to, because they have seen it that Yoruba Nation is very close by to be actualized, and because of that they are just looking for every means to bring these people down, and it will not work. Well, my people, and exactly what it is. Though Awikoko said a lot of things, but this is not the summary of everything he has said to Omiyale. So Omiyale have to be strong and continue with the movement. All right, my people, and exactly what it is right now. On to this, what more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this, my people, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are new on this channel. All right, thanks, and God bless.